Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change the look of appointments in the View Scheduler using the built-in template and view-specific customization. Look at this example, where you can see completely customized appointments with attractive colors and images. I will show you how to create this. I am using an existing View application, where I have already added View Scheduler with simple appointments. If you want to know how to add a simple appointment to the View Scheduler, please watch my Getting Started video linked in the above YouTube card. Now, let me run this application using the command npm run serve. So now, you can view the scheduler with the normal appointments. Next, I want to display each appointment in a different color, so I will show you how to customize the appointments using the template option. As a first step, I define a template tag with the name slot, scheduler template, inside the scheduler code. This data variable receives the current appointment object of the scheduler. Then, I map the slot name to the template property inside the appointment data variable. Next, I define a few division elements with class attribute inside this template tag. As I said before, I am going to display each appointment in a different color. For that, I define two more fields named primary color and secondary color and assign appropriate color codes to them. To add different colors for the division elements, I define a background attribute and assign appropriate data source fields to it. I want to display subject and time information in the appointments, so I add the data source fields, subject and time, using the data variable. I will define this method a little later to format the date value that will return the formatted date value. To display the time field in string format, I import the internationalization library from the Syncfusion EJ2 base package and define an instance. Then, I add methods section and define the getTimeString method, which receives the appointment object as an argument, and convert the start and end date time values to string format using the public method formatDate. I also define a few CSS styles for the defined division sections within this style section. When you look at the scheduler now, you can see the appointments with different background colors and displaying the subject and time. Next, I will show you how to add an image to scheduler appointments. First, I define an image tag inside this division element. Then, within this appointment data, I define one more field, image name, and assign an appropriate value to it. I plan to add an image in the appointment, so I need to pass the URL to the source attribute. Then, I define this method and form the appropriate URL link using the image name value and return formed URL link to source attribute. I will define some CSS styles for the image class. Looking at this scheduler, the appointments are displayed with the images. Okay, so far, I have shown you how to apply complex design to the scheduler appointments UI. The same changes are reflected on all other views as well. In some scenarios, I may want to show a difference in the appearance of appointments on different views. For example, if I want to display the appointment background color as orange in month view, then I need to use the event template property. Here, I want to display the appointments with a different background color and subject for the month view. So, first, I need to comment out this generic appointment template definition and its reference from the event settings property. Within this month option, I define a template tag with a slot name and map this name to the event template property of the eView tag. To display the subject information in the appointments, I add a division element with the class attribute and assign the data source field subject using the data variable. I define a few CSS styles within this style section. When you look at the scheduler now, the template customization is applied to the month view appointments. If I switch the view to week or workweek view, you can see the appointments with no customization. This is because I have defined the event template design only for the month view. To display my previous generic template design within this week view, I define the template tag inside the week view and assign this slot name to the event template property. And now, you can see the appointments in month view displaying just the subject, and in week view, they display the subject and time with different background colors. If I switch to the workweek view, you can see the default appearance of the appointments. In this video, we have seen how to customize appointments in the scheduler generically for all the views and for individual views. If you would like to see the working example, you can download it from the GitHub link shared in the description below. You can also check the link in the description to see if you are eligible for our community license to use our view components for free. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.